Hey y'all, my name is Steve, and today I am working on a little project with Facebook. I am going to transfer all of the photos that I have put on Facebook over the years. I am going to attempt to transfer those over to Google Photos because I am leaving Facebook forever. I'm getting off the platform, so before I do, I want to tidy up some things. So we're going to transfer all of our images and hopefully video to my Google Photos account. So I thought y'all might be interested and watch how it's done in case you're interested in doing the same thing. You don't have to be leaving Facebook to be doing this. You may want to just gather up all the photos and videos that you've posted over the years into one spot in case, I don't know, Facebook should delete your account unannounced, unknowing to you. But anyway, I'm on my Facebook page right here, and over here at the top right you see the little down arrow. We're going to click it, and we're going to go down to Settings and Privacy, and then we're going to click Settings. And now over here to the left you're going to see your Facebook information, so click that. And right here, the second one down, transfer a copy of your photos or videos to another service. That's where we're going to start. We're going to click the view. And now, before you can go any further, you're going to have to enter your Facebook password. Once you've entered your password in, this is the next page you're going to get. Transfer a copy of your information. Make a copy of the information you've uploaded to Facebook and transfer it to another service. You can also choose to download your information directly. And step 1, choose what to transfer. Transfer a copy of either your photos, videos, posts, or notes that you've uploaded to Facebook. So right now, for the purposes of this video, I am going to work on transferring my photos to Google Photos. So down here at step 2, you're going to choose your destination. I'm going to hit Google Photos. I'm going to hit Next. And now it's going to authenticate and ask me to authorize this transfer with Facebook. Once you've chosen your account, it's going to say grant Facebook permission. Add your Google Photos library. Deny or allow. So I'm going to allow. It's asking you to confirm your choices. I'm going to click allow. All right, the next screen you're going to get is where you've gone through all of the first steps, and now you have to confirm your transfer. So click that. Now under activity, it says photos transferred to Google Photos. As of right now, it's in progress. I've got the little yellow dot there. So I don't know how long this is going to take. I'm going to stop the video right here, and I will come back once I have an idea of how long this is going to take so I can tell you what you can expect. Okay, now this took probably an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to complete. You can see right there at the activity, it is completed. So when you go over to your Google Photos to look at the transfer, they are going to show up as copy of timeline photos. They're going to be in an album named copy of timeline photos. You can of course go in there and change the name of that album, but that's where you will find all of your photos. So that is how you transfer all of your Facebook photos to Google Photos. I'm Steve, and I hope this has been helpful.